Very good morning, guys. My name is Shivraj, and I have started a new series in my YouTube channel that is named as Gen Z JavaScript. So, in this series, we will be learning React.js, Angular, and JavaScript. All the important concepts we will be learning here. And I am a full stack developer with having 10 plus year of experience under my belt. And guys, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified for all the upcoming videos. Thank you.
So guys, in this video, we'll understand the rendering list. How can we render list in React.js? So if you're coming from Angular or any other, there we were using ng4 and with those loops we were able to do it, right? But here, because we want to render the JSX, right? And that's an expression like in JavaScript expression we can only render this JSX. So that's why we'll be needing here map. So that is the reason we use map, and in React.js, that's why we prefer map. And how we'll use it is, see, here we have UL unordered list and list, right? So in this we can see we are printing 5 list, right? And the content is different. So how we can do it? So like this, we can declare an array, right? With people is an array that contains 1 2 3 4 5 5 elements, right? And then we can just do like this: const list item, this as a const variable, and then we are mapping each, you can say each index 0 1 2 3 4. So 4 index 0 1 2 3 4. So 5 length and 4 index 0 1 2 3 4. So we are mapping one by one, and that's how we are having this list items. So this map will return an array containing this li tag and the persons, like per this rows, or you say the index. So list item contains it, and then finally in the ul tag we will display it. So this is how we'll return it finally. Here we could see, so we can create a people tag, people const people variable, where we will be having an array containing the content, because this is only the content difference is there, right? Else this li is same, the syntax is same. So that's why we are using this li in line number 11, so that it can be looped, it can be added to each this index, right? All the 5 contents. So the person is the, like, the person goes to first one, then second one, then third, then fourth, then fifth. So all are now having this li tag, and finally it is being displayed in the ul. So list items is the array which contains all these JSX, right? This is how we are able to display it. Now if we want to filter it before rendering, so what we can do, suppose we want to filter, like here we have two chemists, right? So we want to only show chemist. So what we can do, we can first filter it, profession person dot profession equals to chemist. So what it will do, it will only this const chemist will hold two elements that have this, or it will only have two objects that will have chemist as a profession. So this id 3 and id 1. So this will have only these two. And then for now we have data in chemist, so now we can map it over. So when we will map it over, it will uh, keep this JSX, that is this li, this JSX in a list item as an array, right? So and then finally in ul it will be printing it. So like this, it will print, see, two members, and this two members, because in array we have two objects, you can say two JSX, and inside ul. Now each child in a list should have a unique key. You are seeing this in console, we are getting warning. So why it is saying so? Because you can think it as of you have some data, and you have to provide a key to it, because in React it identifies your this list with it needs some key. If it is good if you are getting it from the in your data from the backend side. in the object itself if you're getting keys, and those should be unique. So that is very good, because if you will try to use this random generate, and that will not be good, because um, that will keep on changing every time. But React wanted to remember each and every list with the unique address, right? So that's where the purpose gets defeated. So that's why in data itself, if from backend, if you get keys, that is good. Otherwise, wherever we are storing, at that place we have to transfer our data, and then we need to provide it in the list. So that is it, guys. You can refer to these notes. These are very important official documentation from React JS. I am also referring to these official docs. If you are a fresher, or if you are transitioning from any other technologies into React JS, then these documents are very good to understand the syntax, and how we are rendering here, and why not with for loop, and all these you will get. You can simply do chat gpt like why for and why not we're using for loop. It will explain you everything, like, because that is a statement, this for loop, right? Inside it we cannot use JS can be used only inside the expression, JavaScript expressions. So these all things you will get to know. And why does we need, and finally, why does React need keys, right? Imagine that file. You can study this, like it is saying, if you have multiple files in your desktop, and if you are deleting them, and the um, only way to refer them is by an order. But if you delete, or if you add something, it get confused, right? What is the order? Now order changes. So that's why this is how React also remembers. So that's why it needs some unique key, so that it can be allocated to that particular object or file, and it remembers, okay, this is the one. If it gets deleted, if suppose second ID gets deleted, it knows, okay, 0 and 1 is there, second is deleted, and 3 is there. So like this. So these are things we understood: how to render with the help of map, how to filter with the help of filter. All these are JavaScript predefined methods. And so yeah, so that's how you can iterate over the JSX quickly with the help of map, very fast. And yeah, that's it. So please do comment, guys, and please, if you wanted something, some if you're getting some issue, or if you wanted to know some extra things, or if I missed something, you can directly comment. I will answer it over there. So thank you, guys.